So I got the LearnDash Thrivecart integration plugin working, and it's easier than you maybe think if you also ran into those problems. So I've got a WordPress install with LearnDash installed, and I want to sell my products through my Thrivecart. So what I installed here was the official add-on. You can get it here under add-ons, LearnDash Thrivecart Add-on. What that does, it connects to your Thrivecart account, and when someone orders your product in Thrivecart, it can add those people to a course or to a group. I created this connection here, test course, made these settings, the product ID in Thrivecart, then said people should, when they buy that, get added to the course and added to the group. Probably doesn't make sense to add them to both. And it didn't work. I made a last video about that. I had a bit of a discussion with the LearnDash support, and it turns out they've got a wrong wording in here. So when you go to the settings in this plugin, you see here secret word, which is the right word for what needs to go in that field. But if you click here on the question mark, it says that's a secret word you get from your Thrivecart account. You can get it from your account under settings, API and webhooks, Thrivecart API. So Thrivecart API, what you do, you go to your Thrivecart settings, API and webhooks, and then you need to find the Thrivecart API, and what I see here is API keys. So I click on View Settings and I created an API here. Turns out I can revoke that because, and it's deleted, we don't need that. We don't need an API key. We need the secret word as it's stated. So I go back, and what I need to do, I need to go into Thrivecart Order Validation, View Settings, and in here I see my secret word. I can regenerate it if something wrong is happening with my account, and that is the word that I need to add in this field here. I also need to add this link here to my Thrivecart account in a different place. That's correctly described here in the webhook URL setting. So for that I go here to settings, API and webhooks, and then here webhooks, view settings. Here I make an integration. You probably don't have it, so you do. You make one, and then here just name it something and paste that URL you got from the Thrivecart LearnDash plugin. You don't need to check this box. You can leave it empty, and well, that's all you need to do to set it up. Now, when someone buys the course with product ID 11, I need to go to my products, and you see when you hover over the edit button, in the bottom left, you see an URL with a number at the end. That is the product ID. So this product is the product 11. So this is the product I would have to buy. It's still in test mode, so I can fill in anything here. So I choose the cheap thing. I copy the credit card number. It's just a test credit card. Enter something here, it doesn't matter, for the test order, and buy. So now I should have an additional user added to my WordPress. So this order went through. I go back to my WordPress and I go to users, and you see here I've got this one, this additional user with the email address I entered, added to those groups that are configured in the LearnDash Thrivecart plugin. So everything worked. I can of course then add the group to different courses, so that when someone like buys a bundle, they get added to different courses through the group. Well, it works now. I'm really happy with it. I don't have to use Zapier, which was the alternative route to do that. Well, that's how it works. Hope you liked it. If it did help you, please leave a comment. That would help me. And see you soon. Bye-bye.